Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log in to HTW Berlin as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in HTW Berlin account activation, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link. This is to activate your account before you try to log in. Scroll down and then hit start. Here you must enter your username, your activation code, and then hit continue and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your account. These credentials should be provided to you by your college or university, either during the time of admission or on your email. After that, you can head over to the search bar one more time and then type in Moodle HTW login and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link, then tap on the link given to you. You can now enter your username along with your password that you just activated and then hit login to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.